To get the most out of your Fidelity investment account, start by understanding the various types of accounts available, such as brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and custodial accounts. Each has its own benefits and requirements, so choose the one that best suits your financial goals. Next, take advantage of Fidelity's research and tools to make informed investment decisions. Their platform offers a wide range of resources, including market analysis, investment news, and portfolio management tools. Use these resources to stay up to date on market trends and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. When it comes to investing, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, to minimize risk and maximize returns. Fidelity offers a range of investment products, including index funds, ETFs, and individual stocks, to help you diversify your portfolio. Another important tip is to keep costs low. Fidelity offers competitive pricing on trades and investments, but be mindful of other fees, such as management fees and expense ratios. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which can provide broad diversification at a lower cost. In addition to these tips, consider setting up a regular investment plan. This allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, taking advantage of dollar cost averaging and reducing the impact of market volatility. Fidelity's automatic investment plan makes it easy to set up and manage your investments. Finally, monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly. Fidelity's portfolio analysis tools can help you track your investments and identify areas for improvement. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these tips and taking advantage of Fidelity's resources and tools, you can make the most of your investment account and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, keep costs low, and stay informed to make the best investment decisions for your needs.